What about you? Today's video is how to move stones with limited access. These are the stones that we're going to be moving today. So let's go. It's quite a narrow gateway through here and into the lawn. It's a fairly good lawn, so we want to try and look after this the best we can. And then we've to go down a bit of a slope into the garden, so access is quite tricky in this one. Today, for this job, we're using a Truxta 4x4 powered wheel barrow. We hired it out for the day. To hire something like this out, it generally costs between £50 and £100 a day. I hired it because it was a lot cheaper than getting an extra man in to help us for the day. Some people refer to these as powered wheel barrows, and other people might say they're mini dumpers, either or. You can see here that access is very limited. For this job, we're going to be bringing in 7 tons of stones and then the Truxta Powered Wheel Barrow, so there's a fair bit of weight to that as well. So at the minute we're just going to install a temporary pathway through here, so this is just what I'm doing at the minute. We'll put down the underlay that were used in the bed down at the bottom of the garden where we're going to put the stones, and then we're putting in a temporary laneway just along here. There was meant to be some light showers in the afternoon. As it turned out, it turned into a really wet day. Now, it is Ireland after all, so you can't expect it to rain a lot, especially in November. rain came on that heavy, so we ended up putting the camera away. So I've got all 7 tons of stones around the back, apart from what's on this laneway here. We're gonna start lifting this now. And then whenever we get all that lifted, we'll reinstate the lawn and get it back to new. You'll not even know we were there.
I know someday we could finally be.
Now that I've got all the stones lifted, we're going to give this area a real good aerate, and then we'll spring back rake all this here and pull up all the grass. In a couple of weeks you'll not even know that we're here. I'm running over the lawn with a solid tine. I just decided to do the entire lawn, and then I'll pay a bit more attention to the area where the pathway was, because it'll be compacted. So if you didn't have an aerator, you could use a fork and just do the compacted area where the path is, and that would really help the lawn recover. If you're enjoying this video, if you could hit that like button down below, go ahead and just smash it. If you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit that big red subscribe button down below. Get more content like this. Lawn aerated and pulled up with the spring back rake. As they say in Belfast, that's us now on how to move stones with limited access. If you've enjoyed this video, if you could just smash that like button down below. And I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.